This charging wire, it's not working.
Hey, what were you throwing it?
Sorry, it's just a charging wire. What's the big deal?
It's not just a broken wire, it's e-waste. Things like this isn't just messy, it's harmful.
This single piece of wire, it's harmful? You must be joking.
I'm not joking, it's the reality. Come on, let me explain you.
E-waste or electronic waste refers to discarded electrical or electronic devices like old phones, laptops, wires, batteries, and appliances that are no longer in use. With technology advancing so quickly, India now generates over 1.5 million metric tons of e-waste every year, making it one of the world's largest producers.
Unfortunately, much of this e-waste ends up in landfills or is handled informally, releasing toxic metals such as lead and mercury that pollute our soil, water, and air, and even harm human health.
And that's why we bring you the solution E-Waste Revival. Greetings everyone, I'm Prithvi Sehgal
And I'm Navriti Manchanda.
and we, the Recircuit team, brings you the solution for the e-waste management, that is E-Waste Revival.
Today, we'll show you how our solution works.
Okay, now let us take you to our website. First, come to any browser and type the URL sites.google.com/view/e-waste revival, then click on enter. You'll come to this user interface. Welcome to E-Waste Revival, a platform dedicated to tackling one of today's biggest environmental challenges, electronic waste. Our website is designed to educate, engage, and inspire action. It helps people understand what is e-waste, how it harms our environment and health, and most importantly, how each of us can be the part of solution. Well, the e-waste revival has 6 main services. But before that, let me take you to our About section. In About section, we have explained the main actions of our e-waste revival. In our mission, these are the main goals we want to achieve. In Dive Deeper, people can get education about what it is e-waste, how e-waste is harmful to you and surrounding, and your responsibility. Next, we have Any Gallery, a page for non-readers and for watchers. Here, we have provided videos about what is e-waste and how it affects us. Okay, so let us start with our services. First is Creation Mania. In Creation Mania, we educate new generation to tell how to craft out of e-waste. For same, we have provided links for YouTube videos. For example, if I click on a keyboard, then you may receive this video telling you how to craft out of keyboard. Next, we have Barter with Nature. In Barter with Nature, we take your e-waste and in return we give you plants, seeds or ornaments for gardening. For the same, we have provided a link form where it asks about users' information. Next, we have Techodeal. In Techodeal, we take e-waste from users and in turn we give them funds, also money. But in Techodeal, it is necessary that the e-waste should be in bulk quantity, approximately about 10 kilos of e-waste. For same, we have provided a link form where user can enter its details and information about e-waste.
Continuing our services, next we have Technova Consultants, at which we specialize in providing expert guidance in sustainable solutions for electronic waste management. As for the same, we have Mr. Anil Dhiman as a Technova head who has 20 years of experience in information technology. Bal Bharati Public School has been a customer and he has been providing his consultants many times. Next we have EcoWorld, which is a smart and rewarding way to dispose of e-waste responsibly. So, how does it work? This is a kiosk which is installed in public places and can accept your e-waste, in which in return you will get instant rewards like MetroCard recharge and vouchers for your shopping. It's just a prototype, but it's India's first initiative idea towards reverse vending machine for e-waste. And we have the prototype circuit for the same. In any organization, we know that support bench is must. So we do have the support email ID and contact us if you have any doubts or any clarifications you need. And our e-waste revival site is dependent on your reviews. So why not? We have been given the customers' review for the same and they have shown a great support to us. If you have any feedback for us to do, here is the feedback form for the same.
Yes, I think twice before tossing my e-waste again.
Good. Every small step matters.
Let's revive the earth with e-waste revival.